There are dozens of light bulbs on your vehicle, illuminating everything from the road in front of you to the license plate at the rear. And for all that modern technology has brought us, most automotive bulbs are essentially the same as on your grandfather's car. So it's no wonder that burned out bulbs are such a common occurrence. When a headlight bulb fails, it is obvious. And on most cars, a bad turn signal bulb will make the blinker flash faster, slower, or not at all. But you may never notice a taillight being out until someone tells you.
Mark, the Haynes technician here. Unlike a household bulb, most automotive bulbs don't unscrew. They either pull straight out or are pressed in and turned a quarter turn to remove them. While the bulb is out, check the socket for corrosion and clean with a wire brush. Then add a dab of bulb grease to help keep it from returning.
You can see that replacing bulbs is easy. What's often more difficult is figuring out how to access those bulbs in the first place. This is where your Haynes Manual is a big help. But we'll give you some general guidelines here so you know what to expect no matter what car you're working on.
There are 3 common ways to get to the brake, turn signal, taillight, and backup lights. You'll either access them from inside the trunk or cargo compartment, remove the lens for access, or remove the entire taillight assembly. All of these access methods are actually easy once you know how. If you're not sure how to get to the bulbs, take a look at the lens. If you see screws, remove them and pull the lens off. It's just that easy. Now the bulbs are easily accessed. If you don't see any screws, open the trunk or look for an access panel in the cargo area. If you see fasteners here, remove them. Removing these fasteners will either allow access to the rear of the taillights or just release the entire taillight assembly from the car. Once you have access to the back of the taillight assembly, you can remove the bulb holders either by rotating them a quarter turn or just pulling them straight out.
Most vehicles still use halogen bulbs for the headlights, but if your car uses the latest LED, HID, xenon, or laser lights, they may not be user replaceable. So check with your Haynes Manual for more information.
To replace a halogen bulb, open the hood and remove any covers or components necessary to access the rear of the headlight. Then rotate the bulb holder or lock ring counterclockwise and pull the bulb holder out of the housing. In some cases, you'll have to remove the entire headlight housing. Be sure not to touch the bulb glass with your bare hands, since your finger oils can cause the bulb to overheat and fail prematurely. If you do touch the glass, clean it off with rubbing alcohol. On most cars, the front turn signal and side marker lights are combined in the headlight housing and are accessed the same way as the headlight bulbs. Many modern cars use side marker lights which snap into openings in the fender or bumper cover. But typically, once you can reach them, they pop out easily just by pressing a tab. For access to most interior bulbs, all you usually need to do is unclip the lens. Sometimes a very small screwdriver will help pry it off. Be careful, because the tabs on the plastic lenses are easily broken. To replace warning lights and dash illumination, in most cases you will unfortunately have to remove the instrument cluster. But luckily, most cars made in the 21st century use LED lights, or a screen like a smartphone, and that should last the life of the car without replacement.
Having working lights is important for safety, so replace them immediately if they should fail. Periodically, with the help of a friend, check them all out at least as often as you check your tire pressure. And that's all there is to it.